You can use formative assessments to personalize your student's learning path, because we all know that every student doesn't learn at the same pace or from having the same experience. Buzz's formative assessments help identify and provide personalized opportunities to learn. Formative assessments are given to monitor student progress so a teacher can tailor feedback and direction moving forward. I'm going to start by this student example. Here I have created a formative assessment called the Pretest for Mastery. In this example, the students will take the pretest and the items that they have mastered will hide or be exempt, or they will show and I need to complete them. So as a student, I'm going to open my formative assessment and I'm going to start each question. It'll say, "Congratulations, I've shown objective mastery, and so I am excused from completing one or more activities." It will also remind the student that if they want to view the excused activities, they'll need to uncheck Hide Excused Activities from their settings. So when I close this and look at my table of contents now, I can see that I have been exempt for anything tied to Standard 2. In my settings area, I can choose to hide excused items. If this is chosen, then those activities that I've shown mastery for will be hidden from the table of contents. Let's look how to set this up as a teacher. We're going to go to the editor of that same course and into that same activity. In this course, I've created 3 fake standards, standards 1, 2, and 3. I have aligned those to this folder, 1, 2, and 3 here. I've aligned the assessment to the standards as well, and then I've tied each activity to a different standard. So for example, assignment 1 is tied to standard 1, assignment 2 is tied to standard 2, and so forth. Any activity now that I tie to any one of these standards will hide or be exempt if I show mastery from my pretest. If I open up my pretest and go to my questions, I can view the objective mastery that those questions are tied to. So as I create my assessment, I need to tie each individual question to the standard that it belongs to. And when you're done, you click Save.